How to edit videos on Vimeo. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are looking for a way to edit video, make content, or trying to create professional looking clips on Vimeo, it is super easy. First of all, launch open the Vimeo application on your device and sign into your account. Once you're logged into the main homepage or the watch page of Vimeo, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the plus icon in blue. Now in the pop-up, click on Create Video. Choose your project or upload a video from your device's camera roll. To add a video from your device's camera roll, tap on Add Media and select a video from your camera roll or from your stock, Google Photos or Uploads tab from the top. After making a selection, click on Done at the top right corner. Now your video will be uploaded in the preview section. Now, inside your editor, you can see different tools available at the bottom. Inside this editor, you can go ahead and cut and trim clips, add text and titles, add background music, stickers, arrange scenes or clips. Start editing your video. Now you can go ahead and select your video from the timeline and you can drag clips on the timeline. You'll see two different blue ends on both left and right side. You can drag them to select the duration of your video or choose the part that you want to include in the video. You can add text or titles where needed. You can also add another photo on your video clip, stickers, color palettes, from where you can choose your video color style. After making a selection, click Done, and then you can preview your video by tapping the play button at the top. Just go ahead and make necessary edits to the video, and you can also add music by going to the music option at the bottom right and choose the music that you'd like to add into your video. To customize logos or brands with your video, you can go ahead and take the standard upgrade for your Vimeo plan. Simply select the annual or monthly plan from the next page after tapping on brand and click on upgrade. Follow through the instructions to take the premium subscription. So finally, after you are done with your edits, don't forget to save the changes. This button is just not working at the moment on my screen over here, as you can see it at the top. But here you'll need to press on the button to save the changes or export your video. So that is how you will be able to edit videos on Vimeo. And that's it. Now you know where the real editing tools are hiding on Vimeo. Once you get used to the Create Video section, editing becomes smooth, creative, and honestly quite fun. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.